He was there. No, I'm not.
Is that how you appropriately ask for that?
Yeah.
Yes. He said
Okay, so the first thing I want to know is, what does this word mean? Distribute. Does anybody know?
No.
I will know.
Distraction.
What is that?
Compare.
I mean, it's fun if you guys don't know. Okay, so distribute means to give shares of something or distribute
Distribute tire.
or to deal out. So basically, distribute would mean something like this. Like if I had a big basket of candy and I was distributing it evenly to all of y'all, maybe all of you guys get 3 pieces. Okay? So this is important to understanding what this property is. So it means to give shares of something or to deal out. Okay? Okay. So like if I had like a basket of candy and I was distributing it among everybody, I would give some to Caesar, some to you, some to Win, some to Rick, some to everybody else. Okay? To give out. Maybe not necessarily to share, but to give out. Okay? Like if I'm a company and I'm a distributing company, I'm giving certain supplies to different stores that I'm putting in order. Caesar, what do you know?
Hey,
Caesar?
sounds like someone who
Kids
needs
keep
someone
touching me.
to
Keep your hands to yourself.
I love you.
Okay, boys. What? Yeah.
They're touching me at the back.
Okay. I don't think that I need to say this, but you guys should keep your hands to yourselves. You guys are old enough to do that. Also, the longer that this takes, the less time you're gonna have to work on your homework and your yearbook. Okay? Okay, so by the end of the class, this is what I want you to be able to do. I want you to be able to use the distributive property to create equivalent expressions numerically and algebraically. Okay? I am going to explain what that means in a minute. Okay? So if I have this example, so Lita's mother is paying.
Who's Lita?
That's me.
Can I please read tissue?
Yes.
Can read. Where is Lita? Is he in Mexico? That thing.
Yeah.
Water or car?
Okay, you guys don't have to write this down.
Don't have to.
Do not have to write this example down.
Okay. California. My brain was like.
Okay, so
Oh my God.
Lita's mother is paying for Lita and 2 friends to go to the movies. She is also paying for a snack and a drink. The movie ticket is $6.50. The drink is $3.
That's so expensive.
And the snack is $2.50.
Let's go watch movie with and we have a drink. It's $300.
Oh my God.
I do go watch movie with my mom.
Boys,
Yeah.
I need all of the side talking to stop.
No, not me.
Did I say
No, you
anything?
say
Yeah, I said
boy. This is unrealistic. A drink costs $300.
Is that what that says?
That's $3.00.
$3.
Oh, I forgot a zero. It looked like 300. You make 3,000?
Okay, boys.
Just do it. All that for free.
Oh my God.
Are you guys ready? So, the movie ticket is $6.50, okay? The drink is $3, $3.00. And the snack, is $2.50, okay? paying for Lita and her 2 friends.
Hey.
So hold on.
How about the about ourselves?
It's not in the question. Okay? Okay,
How
so
about yourself?
what did Isaac just say?
I can figure it out.
Okay,
It's
Isaac
like food.
just asked the same question that you did. And what I told him was that she is only going to be paying for Lita and her 2 friends. Okay? If it said that she was paying for her mom or paying for herself, it would probably be in the question. Okay? So what I want to show you is that there are 2 methods to being able to solve this using the distributive property. Okay? If you guys need to follow along, it is also in your book. So I can do this. It's
3 times
172. Okay. So I have this method, which is this.
300 should not for a dream.
Okay.
That's awkward.
Or I can do this.
Copy space.
Wait, what is all?
What the?
Okay. So both of these methods are using the distributive property, girls. Okay. So basically, all this is saying is that this is the number of people that are buying the tickets. Okay. This is the ticket. This is the snack, and this is the drink. Okay. Relationally, this is the price for 3 tickets. This is 3 snacks, and this is 3 drinks. Okay? This part I need you to write down.
Wait, so
Okay, I
you're
get it.
saying that that's the total amount for
This is the total amount that Lita is going to pay for both Lita, or Lita's mom is going to pay for Lita and her 2 friends. Okay?
so 650
Wow. My name is not.
No, for 1 person. So for 1 person, a ticket is $6.50. 1 person. A drink is $3 and a snack is $2.50. So the way that we are doing this is we can think about it this way. If we distribute the 3 to here, and to here, it is going to be the same thing as if we do this. Okay? Or if we made this smaller, what we could do is if I add 650 plus 250 plus 3, I get 12. So therefore it becomes 3 times 12 equals $36. Okay? And then on this side, if I multiply 3 by 650 and multiply by 3 by 250 and 3 by 3, I get 9 over here, 750 over here, and 1950.
She only buys
So-
her daughter.
When I add all of these things together, I also get $36. Okay?
Oh, I love it.
Both of these, so this is what we call, guys, this is what we call an equivalent expression. What? An equivalent expression.
Equivalent expression.
I learned it
Equivalent.
while I was like a grade 4 count.
Okay. I don't care when you write it. I just need you to be quiet.
You're gonna scroll another down.
Okay, so we call this an equivalent expression. Basically what that means is using this method and this method are exactly the same. We yield the same results. Okay? So all I'm doing is I'm distributing the 3 among my problem. Okay? Would you like to stay in class?
No, kids keeping playing me.
Okay. Wait, Caesar, here's my question. Do you want to stay in class?
Yeah.
Okay. So then what do you think I need you to do?
I believe.
Arlo, that's not funny. Okay.
Oh, that's not my fault.
You just put a gun in your mouth. That is your fault. Caesar. You want to you're going to lose This part you definitely need to write down, okay? So, to say it in words is this. To multiply a sum or difference was by a number, multiply each voice. Multiply each term inside the parenthesis. Yawn.
Miss Ari,
Yes.
this is all you want to know from this book, right?
Yes, we just went through it.
Like, why do we have to figure it out? We have to.
Because I need you guys to pay attention. So I need you to do something and then I'll ask you to write it down.
Oh my God.
Wait, tomorrow is Wait, I'm not sure about this word. Is it there is some? Is there
I will be here.
Okay, boys. Do we need to talk about how to behave in class?
No.
Do we need to talk about how to behave in class?
I know how to behave in
Okay,
class.
what it's like.
I'm leaving school.
At Thursday. Not forever.
Yeah, me too, Thursday. So I'm not here much.
Okay, so if you guys have something to say, what do you guys need to do?
Raise my hand.
Okay, and don't talk without being called on. You are a kid.
Oh.
Lock.
Wow, I'm just moving my tempo.
Wait, we're little kids, we're like stupid.
I knew.
Hello. Stretching.
So we have words, we have our symbols, which basically looks like this. Okay, or we can have a subtraction line. Okay? So, for an example, your examples are found in the book. Okay? So, there's two words that I want you to know. So I want you to know what evaluate is. It's another way to say solve. So one thing you're going to see a lot is you're going to see the question, evaluate this expression, evaluate this, evaluate that. What it means when I say evaluate is I want you to solve. Okay?
So evaluate means solve this question.
Yeah, so if it says evaluate, that means to solve. If it doesn't say evaluate, it's probably asking you to do something else. Okay?
What do you guys say so?
Because one of the things that you are going to need to know as someone that speaks two languages is more than just basic vocabulary.
Okay.
In math terms, once you get to higher math, like calculus, they're not going to say solve this equation. They're going to say evaluate, and you're going to need to know what that means. Okay?
Why won't they just say so?
Because they think that they're smart.
Because solve is not the correct term when you're talking about math. It's evaluate.
More show off words. Yeah, show off.
It's not a show-off word. It's just a synonym.
Yeah, try to be smart. Try to be smart. Why do they say so cool? See that?
Okay, the other word, boys, that you're going to need to know is expression. Okay? So when it says the expression, it's talking about the math question.
Oh yeah. Oh, English. Wait. So expression in math definition and normal definition is different. Yeah.
So so expression in English, right, is maybe you have an angry expression and you're going like, or something on your face. That's an expression. But in math, you're going to see evaluate the expression a lot. And so if you see this, evaluate the following expression. And then it has like 1, which is like x plus 3 equals 9.
Before that, we
whatever.
saw one of solve this question.
This is my expression, okay? This is what the exam is going to be.
Not the way to
So-
say so.
The two things you're going to need to know are solving or evaluating expressions numerically and algebraically. The difference between these two things are, when it says evaluate the expression numerically, it is all numbers that they've given you. So for example, a numerical expression, numerical, like number, is just going to look like this. 9 minus 3 over 8 equals 9 times 8 minus 3. Okay, that would be numerically. Okay, because these are all numbers on the number line. When I say that I want you to solve it algebraically, that means that I have like x plus 4 times 3 equals 3x plus 12. Okay? So, this is the difference between solving an equation numerically and algebraically. When we say that we want to use something with algebra, it basically just means that there's a variable that you're going to need to solve for. But when I say something numerically, it's giving me all of my information. Okay, so the pair work that we're going to be doing is getting you to understand the difference between a numerical expression and an algebraic expression. Okay? Algebra just has a variable or an unknown quantity. Yes.
I'm going to have a 3, 6.
Is that your question for this moment? Yeah, but is that relevant to what we were talking about?
Oh, my hand is so dead.
Okay. Okay. So we're gonna do one example and then we're gonna do our pair work, okay?
Well, what?
We're gonna do our pair work. So this is the example that I want you to do. Okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to write an equivalent expression. What's an equivalent expression?
Equal. The two stuff equal the same.
They equal the same. So an equivalent expression to this would be 5 times 12 plus 5 times 4, right? Which equals 60 and 20, right? Does everyone agree?
Yes.
So then this here equals 80. Okay? So just look at that. So what I want you to do is, really quickly, I want you to turn to page
Is it like the last?
I don't know. Anything right now.
173. Turn to 173 in your workbook.
170 what?
I think I know.
173.
I don't
And I just want you to do 1A and 1B at the bottom of the page. That should take you about 2 minutes.
Wait.
173, yep, right here. Doing 1A and 1B.
Oh.
1A and 1B.
Where's 1A?
Really quickly.
Look.
Okay, Steve.
1A.
So, guys, I want you to do this problem right here. 1A and 1B.
Oh.
It should be, okay?
What's
I find
7
that-
times 4?
The first one is 30 blocks. The second one is 20
Wait,
blocks.
I don't know how to do it. I need your head.
So,
Just write
we're writing the expression, and then we're evaluating the
Wait,
expression.
can I look at the bathroom, please? I'm sorry. Can I look at the toilet?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You cannot.
I'm going to start my
Okay, so we're just doing this, what we did here,
I'm holding my
in
hand.
our book.
I'm holding my arm.
Yeah. I think I'll be better.
Simple as bro.
Ricky, do you really believe that I'm gonna have to send you to the counselor's office?
Do what?
Do you really believe that I'm gonna have to send you to the counselor's office?
What?
You know it's over there. So
Yeah,
yeah.
Okay, so what do you?
But where's
So, you're, Caesar. Rick, can you sit down, please?
No, I want to speak so much then alright.
Okay, did you do 1A and 1B?
Yes.
Win. Do 1A and 1B. So, wait. So look at the example above. So look at the example right above the problem. So what you're doing is you're moving those numbers to create equivalent expressions. Jeffrey, did you do 1A and 1B? Okay, I need you to put your phone. Words mine.
Yes, word down.
Does that make sense? Solve, solve. Steve, are you finished?
Yes.
Oh,
Melissa and Jamie, you finished? Yana, you
I'm
finished?
done with my life.
Are
yeah,
you
yeah.
finished?
There's two. But, where does can just
Why? Not game days.
Caesar.
So we're is that ready? Yeah. That's how we can't run.
Okay, so this is what we are going to do. You guys are going to work in pairs to complete this worksheet. It's super easy, right?
yeah,
You
super
can
easy.
totally stand and you do not.
Oh my. Is that related to our grade?
I like frog.
Okay, so this is what you're going to be doing. You will get this worksheet and you are going to be working with a partner. What I want you to do is I want you to write 6 different equations, okay? So you're going to use 3 numerical expressions and then 3 algebraic expressions
Oh.
using the distributive property.
Miss Aria, I studied about the vocabulary. Instead, it should be how you evaluate it.
I probably should have read.
How you call learning value.
Oh, and now you're trying to be.
Okay, so this is what you're going to do. You're going to create questions. You are going to create questions with your partner, and then as partners finish, you are going to, yes, with partners, you are going to switch with another pair. Rick. Leave.
No.
Leave. If you can't listen to the instruction that I've given you, and you are going to disrespect me, you can get out of my classroom.
I'm listening.
Get out.
Why?
Get out.